Hey guys, namaste and welcome back to my channel Positivity with Richa. Today we are going to do a test your intuition challenge. I'll have a lot of rounds so you can test how many times you were correct or not. And if all of your all the if you sorry, if your intuition was right in all the rounds, then I guess your intuition is on point. But if it is not, then we'll give you the suggestions on how to improve it. So let's start with the first round. Okay, so for round one, we have three cars: the blue car, the yellow car, and the white car. You have to choose which car I'm going to move. So take your time. Okay, now I'm going to move the car. I moved the white car. So if you chose the white car, then great. Your intuition is on point. Now we'll move to the second round and let's see you in the second round. So for round two, also we have three options. So the first one is a camera. You can take a closer look if you want to. The second one is, I think, a whistle. I don't know what they call it. A violin and a whistle. And the third one is a keychain with some red and white designs on it. Okay, so you can take your time and think intuitively, like which one I'm going to choose. Like, don't think. Intuition is just a feeling. So, okay, I chose this one. So, was your intuition correct? If not, then you have other rounds too. So you can hold on to that. I'm going to do three more rounds, I guess. And so let's see. Okay, so for the third round, we have four objects. The first one is a smiley. The second one is a star with in a clip. Third one is a slipper, and the fourth one is a heart clip. So you have to choose which one I'll pick. Take your time and select. Okay, so now I'll pick up. I chose the star. So if your intuition was correct, then good. If not, then we have two more rounds. So let's see if you can make the right guess. Okay, so for this round, we have five objects, and I'm going to pick one of them. The first one is a Spider Man toy. The second one is a yellow smiley. The third one is a soccer smiley. The fourth one is a blue smiley. And the last one is a star. So you have to choose which one I'll pick. Okay, so I'm going to pick now. So, did you guys select the white and black smiley? If yes, then great, because now we have only one more round left, and let's see what that round has for us. So, stay tuned. Okay, so for this round, I have bought six items from the last rounds, and you have to choose which one I'm going to pick. So, take your time and choose wisely. Okay, now I'm going to pick up. Okay, I'm going to pick this keychain. So if your selection was right, then great. But if not, then also it's fine. So let's now continue with what we have to do if your intuition was not on point. So first of all, you have to go and start meditating. Meditate like 5 minutes or 10 minutes during the day, if it's possible. And if not, then you can just do deep breathing for a few days. But I would sure, of course, suggest you to take like some meditation breaks, and after a while, after you have done the basic meditation, then go ahead with the third chakra meditation, third eye chakra meditation. Okay, so because that's the chakra which helps us open our intuition. And if you want, you can also do the seven chakra healing, because that's going to give balance to all your chakras. And if you have the ability to take Reiki healing sessions, then you should also go for that. A lot of YouTubers work on free Reiki healing from over the internet, so that's also great. You can also take that. And if you need any help, then you can surely contact me in the comment sections, and do tell me if how many rounds of your uh, this intuition test was right, and I would love to know. And surely try to connect with me if you want to. Till then, bye bye, and stay tuned for more videos. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.